everyone, welcome to Blma Machinery. Today we are showing our 50 model 5-axis CNC tool bending machine, bending a 25mm round tube for chair frame production. Furniture tool parts often require different bending radius in one tube, and this machine handles that easily.
This is our two-stack tooling system. It can perform both tight, small reduced bends and smooth, large reduced bends in one automatic circle. This is ideal for chair frames, furniture tubes, and automatic metal structures that can bend in multiple shapes.
The servo-controlled system delivers high precision, smooth bending, and excellent repeatability for mass production. One machine, multi-radius, fast production, and perfect tube bending for furniture manufacturing. Blma pulp bending machine features an IPC controller with a built-in tooling library. Operators simply select the correct tool set instead of programming each part individually, saving time and reducing errors. Blma Machinery, your professional tube bending solution.